Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Monday, the 25th, and I'm preparing to leave my house to do a retightening. This is second day hair. Oh, I need to do something with that nail. This is second day hair. I did a braid out yesterday. I'm going to show you. Give me 1 minute. Be right back. I'm back. I had to take care of a nick that's on my finger. That's one of the things that you need to take care of as well, so that your fingernail does not damage your locks. And as I was saying, yesterday I did my hair. I had braids. And I did a braid out yesterday morning for church. And at the end, I will show you an action video of me taking those braids out. But before I do that, I want to say thank you, subscribers. Thank you for your patience with me. Thank you for showing concern, especially Darlene. Thank you, Darlena, for being so concerned about me that you sent me a text to make sure that I'm doing okay. And I'm doing well. It's just that I've been working. When I was not working, I wanted to take advantage of my downtime to relax, take care of me and anyone else that's in my circle, my physical circle. So I decided that I needed to put that video up today. And to prove I had braids, here's one that I didn't take out completely. You know, that happens to me often. That happens to me often. I'll forget to get a braid out. But thank you. It is just nice to be missed and to have someone that's concerned about you. But while I was not on YouTube, I was even thinking about, you know what? I just needed a little break. And I I recorded videos, but did not edit and upload them. I just didn't have it in me. And it's just so nice to be motivated and inspired by someone to do what you pretty much enjoy doing, but sometimes just need a little break from it. And so, Darlena, thank you. Thank you for the text and for your concern. Everyone is doing well. I'm enjoying life. It's just that life has been happening. It's been busy. And I've been telling my husband about it. The business is, I'm going to call it not booming, but the business is booming. And my husband said to me yesterday, that's what happens when you do good work. And my brother says that I'm ministering to people. And they are always so encouraging to me. And I just want to thank you and let you know that God is still blessing. He's in the blessing business. Yes, he is. And so I wanted to just come on and say that as an intro to the video that you're getting ready to see. And I'll also, I might put a clip in there of my niece singing and some of us together after our meal on Sunday afternoon. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. Thank you for watching. And now my 360. Have a good day.
My life